Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys a small haul from Tuesday morning, as well as I think I picked up a few things from the thrift store, and I just want to share those with you. I also wanted to do a short tutorial on the Alina Crafts calendar that I created for my grandbaby's second month book, and also just demonstrate again how you tie the Tulle bows. And just to give everybody a update, my mom did get out the hospital today and she's doing much better, so thank you very much for all the comments on my last video. Don't forget, that video is a giveaway video, so if you want to go over and enter, all you have to do is just answer the question that is in the video for your chance to win some great dies from Alina Crafts. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I picked up from Tuesday morning. So I saw this on Marilyn G's channel and I fell in love with them when I saw them, and she was able to pick up the large squares as well as these small 5x5 squares, and these are flannel 5x5 pieces of material, and they're all, I can open it up because I'm definitely going to keep this stacked. So let me show you guys what these patterns look like. They are so pretty and so shabby, and I'm just really hoping that I can find the larger patterns of this, because I would love to make my grandbaby something with these. I was really wishing to find a big one because I wanted to make her like one of those mats that you can put on the floor, because she's 3 months old now and she's starting to do like you know, wanting to lay down on her stomach and raise her head up and stuff, and we have hardwood floors, so I figure it'll be nice to make her a really nice soft padded like blanket or something to put on the floor so that she can do that on the floor. So that is what I picked up from Tuesday morning. This is the SKU number right here, 1963140, and this one was $5.99. I believe the large one is $19.99, and so I'm still on the hunt for that one, but for the time being I'll go ahead and try to use this one. The next thing that I picked up were these honey spoons, and I had an idea to make some little tea type projects with these, so I went on and picked these up, and these were $3.99, and the SKU number is 1918624. Couldn't read that through the camera lens, but I picked up those. And I also picked up these, and I have to check my stash because I'm not sure if the popsicle sticks that I just purchased were these short, fat, small ones, or if they were the larger ones. But the SKU number on this is 1872761, and these were $1.49, and it comes with 30 of these. Didn't find much there. I picked up this Instafun 24 sheets. It has some 2x3s, some 2x2s, and some 4x4 die cut cards. And this is, this is what it has inside of it. And this is the SKU number 1961638. And these were 99¢. So I picked up those. I don't think I ever picked up this bird die, and I have a project in mind that I wanted to do before I found these, or before I saw these. I had the project in mind, and then when I saw that, I was like, I could probably use that for the project. So I did pick it up. It was $3.99. The SKU number is 1972022, and it's like these little birds that once you cut out the wings, that it becomes kind of dimensional, and it's really cute. So I picked that up. I picked up some more of this double-sided tape. I love this 1/8 inch tape, and this SKU number is 1949813, and it's only 99¢. I love using that. That is about all that I picked up from Tuesday morning. I did pick up these from the Goodwill, and I love this little button right here, of course, so I went on and picked this up. I just thought that was super cute. So it was only 50 cents. So I went on and grabbed that. I also picked up this garland with the stars on it, and it was only 50 cents as well. And I thought this would be really cool to put on wands and stuff like that. So I went on and picked that up for 50 cents. I picked up these tulip dimensional fabric paints, and this is the silver, and this is $1.99, and this does have glitter in it. And this one is a really pretty blazing blue, and it's just a regular, it doesn't have glitter in it. But I'll show you guys really quick a little project that I completed using some of that fabric type dimensional glue or paint. I thought this ice cream cone came out super duper cute. I got the idea and I was inspired by a girl here on YouTube. Her name is Solange, and I will link her video down below. It's super pretty. I love the way it came out, and so I wanted to you know, make more of these. So I went on and picked those up from the thrift store, because what I did was I just drizzled that on top, and I glued in my pearls, and then I sprinkled it with glitter and seed beads, and it looks super pretty, I think. So that is about it. And this down here was made with my Spellbinders die that I did pick up from Tuesday morning a few hauls back, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is embossed on there. It's kind of light embossed, but it is embossed like with the ice cream cone pattern. Super cute. Love the way that came out. And then last but not least, I did pick up this glitter paint, and it's by Bella. I've never heard of this company before, but it was only 50 cents, and this is Moonbeam, and it's also like a glitter paint. So pick those up. Now I will share with you guys a little short tutorial on the calendar from Alina Crafts. And so I'll show you guys the front of my grandbaby's second album. This is the front right here, and this is where I put the little card right here with her name, and this is the little calendar right here. And people were asking for me to do a tutorial on the little calendar and how to put it together. It's really simple, so I'll show you guys that right now. So just put that back so that it won't fall. Okay, so I'll use my little cuddle kit. I love using my little cuddle kit when I have just quick projects that I need to do. And so this is the die right here from Alina Crafts, and it is the calendar die. I will link it down below for you guys. I was not responding to comments on the other giveaway video because I wanted, you know, when random.org tries to pick my winners, I didn't want to have my comments in there as well. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys on another video how to put this together. So this is the base of your calendar piece. So I just went on and cut that out already out of this yellow paper, and I just ran it through with some scrap paper. So that is the first part. This is the back part. So this part goes in the back of your calendar piece, and so I'll just cut that out using a scrap of this glitter paper. It's really simple to put this together, and you can put a lot of different little pieces to it if you want. So that is my little back piece, so I'll put that there. And then this is the part of the calendar that actually flips, and you can make as many of these as you wish. So I'll just make a couple out of this paper. And for this one, just a little tip, what I did was I kept this part and this part together. I did not break them apart, because this part is going to actually be glued to the top of this. So you kind of want to just go ahead and keep those together. Plus you may lose this if you take it apart. So I know I would. So I just go ahead and leave it, you know, together. And so I'll just put that on a piece of scrap paper. Go ahead and run that through. Go ahead and run that through. And like I said, you can make as many of these as you want. You just want to make sure that you get that little part out. And what I use normally is just a little pen. If you have one of those little pokey tools, you can definitely use that. I just use a little pen because I always have them handy. And you want to keep that little part. And double-sided paper is really pretty with that, because then when you're flipping it, you can see pretty paper on both sides, but it's not necessary, especially if you're going to like write a little message on there, or if you want to, oh gosh, I have this little cup sitting here with a lot of junk that I'm working on in it, so pardon me. But like I was saying, if you wanted to write on it, then you would not, you know, it doesn't matter if you use like paper with a white back to it. So that is that one. And we'll run it one more time just so that it'll all be pretty. And we'll put this one, let's put this one here. And this one has white on the back, so. I hope everyone had an awesome weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. And the weather was really nice. Although it did get a little more chilly. It's like this weather is really weird. It goes from cold to hot really quickly. So those are my pieces pretty much. And so the rest of them are just numbers. You can use them on your calendar piece if you want. And it's just cutting out numbers and gluing them on. So I don't think you need to know how to do that. So first things first, what I would do is I would hot glue this piece here that looks like this onto the back piece. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue onto that piece. And I just kind of put it right in the middle. You know, put it, you know, in the middle as much as you can. Now, with this part right here, what I would do is I would take a pen or a pencil and just kind of roll that piece and kind of train that piece a little bit to want to roll, because it's going to actually go back here and it's going to make that little circle part right there to hold your calendar pieces on. So the next thing that you're going to do in order to put on your calendar pieces is that you're just going to take the piece. See, it has those little slots in it. You're going to take that piece and put it right there on top of your little rings that will become your rings. And you see how there's a part right there where the edge of the card is. What you're going to do is you're going to take that little slither piece, and it's best to use a glue bottle with a precision tip, and you can find these on AliExpress as well. And what you're going to do is just put very little dabs of glue. I don't even like glue all the way across. It's just very little dots of glue. I don't even know if you can see that or not. I don't think you can see it, but it's really tiny dabs of glue. And all I did was just glue that right on the top so that the calendar piece will not fall off of what is going to be my rings. And so that is the first little page right there. And then you just keep going. You do the next one, whatever you want your next page to be. You do it the same exact way. You put little dots. See if I can get it to focus. But you put little dots of glue. And like I say, you want to use a precision bottle so that you don't put a lot of glue, because you don't need very much at all. And then you're just going to hold that in place until the glue sets up. And I'm using glossy accents in my precision bottle, so the glue sets up pretty quickly. And then this is my last page right here. And I'm just going to do it the same way. And put my glue on. and put my little piece on. And I can hear my grandbaby down there crying. So you know Grandma got to go down there and see what the problem is. So that is about it. And then this part here is just going to loop to the back of your little calendar piece. And it's going to make it look just like that. And what you can do is just kind of push the little loops so that your loops are circular. And that's about it. And then you would glue that down to, you know, a sheet of paper. See if I have another. Like, say if this was my paper, then you would just glue it right down to the paper, just like this. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Just like that, you would glue it down to the paper, and then you can, you know, put your little numbers on it. You can put your messages on there, and like I said, it just kind of flips up, and it's very interactive. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I didn't even realize it did that. That is so cute. So I'll definitely be using this on a project. But yeah, that is how you make your little calendar pieces. Really, really simple. And I made another one earlier. So really cute. Love this die. And I hope that was helpful to you guys. And then last but not least, I always get asked the same question. You guys know I love to use the tool from Hobby Lobby, and I love to use it to make my little bows with. And so I always get asked the same thing about my bows and how do I make them look the way that they look. And honestly, I just tie it. I don't really do anything special. So let me grab some tulle real quick. So this is the tool that I normally use from Hobby Lobby. Sometimes it's glittered and sometimes it's not. And it's on one of these rolls, and I normally pick it up for 50% off. And I believe you can also find this at Walmart or, you know, other stores like that. But honestly, the only way, or the way that I normally do it, is I just make bunny ears just like this. And I literally just tie it in a bow. And I know a lot of times people say, well, mine's come out looking very fluffy. And the only thing that I can say is that I kind of just keep pulling it. I make it small. I keep pulling it, and, you know, until it's the size that I need it to be, which is probably like this size most of the time. And most of the time I don't even really fluff it out, but you can. And then I just, you know, cut my little tails, and then I use it on a project. It's no magic to it at all, guys. None at all. Other than I want to make sure that the tails are kind of the same size. But that is about it. That is what I do to make my little tulle bows. And so, guys, that is about it. I hope that I answered everyone's questions. Thank you so much for everyone going over and checking out my videos. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you guys will enter into the giveaway, because I think that it was really awesome of Alina to send me those gifts, and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you guys. And that is about it, guys. I will be back to show you guys another AliExpress haul soon. I'm not exactly sure when, because I'm just super busy right now with you know, graduations and all that good stuff. They're over with, but you know, it never really ends, because now we have to go on college tours and different things like that. So that is where I will be spending my time. But I will be on YouTube, so check for videos. Always make sure that the bell button is highlighted, or that you clicked on the bell button, and then that way you guys are notified of when I upload a new video. So that is about it, guys. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.